Hey YouTube, FPV Oz friends, got a little bit of a different video today, doing an unboxing of my new frame. I've actually just taken it out of the packet, the packaging, and that's a nice little birthday surprise. My wife will eat all them, but this is the new Karearea Talon frame that I've been waiting for. That should help me out with my racing. Need a nice strong frame. Just stand up to some of those gates. So here it is. It comes with stickers, a strap, some little standoffs to hold the canopy on, a battery pad. But here's the good stuff. So here's the canopy. I'll just take it out of the packet. So you can see that. Place for a strap on the top if you wanted to hold a GoPro or a 360 or something. Little holes for the antennas, VTX antenna mount at the back. These two holes here, the screws go right through those standoffs, and that's what holds it on the frame. So here's the frame itself. It's actually lighter than I thought it was going to be, a lot lighter. There's not a hell of a lot of flex in it. It's pretty strong. You've got your different size holes there for your mounting stacks. There's the little brackets I was talking about where the standoff goes in between and the bolt goes right through to hold the canopy on. So that's very neat. Very, very neat. I'm really impressed. Can't wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the guts out of this pancake that didn't withstand the last crash and put it in there. I've got a little Mamba stack in there and a Pro 32 on top and some old Emax Ecos that still run beautifully. They're perfect. They were really great motors, the Ecos. They stand up to a lot of stuff. So I can't wait to get this thing together. It's gonna be awesome. I've got something in my front pocket for you. Why don't you reach on in my pocket and see what it is? Then grab onto it, it's just for you. Give it a little squeeze and say, how do you do? Something in my front pocket for you. Why don't you reach on in my pocket and see what it is? Cheers. Then grab onto it, it's just for you. Give it a little squeeze and say, how do you do? There's something in my front pocket. There's something in my front pocket. There's something in my front pocket.